This is how solid rock is transformed into the roads we use every single day. The process begins in quarries where massive stones are extracted from the ground. These rocks can weigh anywhere from several hundred kilograms to multiple tons, making them impossible to use in their raw form. To make them usable, they must first be reduced into smaller, controlled sizes. This is where crushing machines come into play. Large rocks are fed into jaw crushers, where powerful steel plates compress the material with extreme force. The pressure inside these machines can reach hundreds of tons, breaking even the hardest stone in seconds. Depending on the setup, a single crusher can process anywhere from 100 to over 1,000 tons of material per hour. After the initial crushing stage, the material moves through conveyor systems where it is transferred to secondary and sometimes tertiary crushers. Each stage reduces the size further, creating different grades of aggregate. Screening systems then separate the material by size, ensuring that each fraction meets specific requirements for construction. Larger pieces are sent back for additional crushing, while smaller particles continue through the process. This closed-loop system allows for maximum efficiency and minimal waste. The final product, crushed stone and gravel, becomes one of the most important raw materials in the construction industry. Every year, billions of tons of aggregate are produced worldwide, forming the base for roads, buildings, and infrastructure projects. But producing the material is only part of the story. The next stage is turning this raw aggregate into a functional road surface. Before new asphalt can be applied, the existing road often needs to be removed or leveled. This is done using specialized milling machines. These machines use rotating drums equipped with dozens of hardened teeth, capable of grinding through asphalt layers with precision. A single milling machine can remove several centimeters of road surface in one pass, processing large sections of roadway in just a few hours. The removed asphalt is collected and transported, often to be recycled and reused in future road construction. In fact, recycled asphalt can make up a significant percentage of new road material, reducing both cost and environmental impact. Once the surface is prepared, fresh layers of asphalt are applied. Asphalt itself is a carefully engineered mixture of aggregates and bitumen, designed to withstand heavy loads, temperature changes, and long-term wear. After being laid down, the material is compacted using heavy rollers. This step is critical. Proper compaction increases durability, prevents cracks, and ensures a smooth driving surface. Even small inconsistencies at this stage can affect the lifespan of the road. From massive rocks in a quarry to precisely engineered road surfaces, the entire process relies on a combination of powerful machinery, material science, and human expertise. It's a system built for scale, designed to process enormous volumes of material quickly while maintaining strict standards of quality and safety. What starts as solid stone, shaped over millions of years, is transformed in just a matter of hours into something we use every day without even thinking